What if every obstacle in your life could be shattered by the grace of Sri Lalita Devi?
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयंत्र प्रहर्षिता भंडा सुरेंद्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्र वर्षिणी.
In this shloka, Sri Lalita Devi rejoices as Mahaganesha destroys the powerful obstacle creating yantras set up by Bhandasura. As the battle continues, Bhandasura unleashes countless divine weapons, but Ma instantly counters every one of them with even more powerful astras. This verse beautifully shows that no force of negativity, ignorance, or evil can stand before the infinite wisdom and divine power of Devi. Every challenge is met with the perfect solution through her grace. Reciting or listening to this shloka with devotion strengthens faith that Sri Lalita Devi removes obstacles, protects devotees from negative influences, and grants the courage and wisdom to overcome every difficulty. It reminds us that with Ma by our side, no challenge is too great to conquer. Did you know that even the tips of Sri Lalita Devi's fingers hold the power to protect the entire universe?
करांगुलि नखोत्पन्ना नारायण दशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्राग्नि निर्दग्धा सुरसैनिका.
In this shloka, Sri Lalita Devi reveals her limitless divine power. From the nails of her fingers emerge the 10 sacred forms of Lord Narayana, known as the Dashawataras, to uphold righteousness and defeat evil. Then, by releasing the mighty Mahapashupatastra, Devi completely destroys the powerful army of Bhandasura, removing every force of negativity that stands against truth and dharma. This shloka reminds us that when we surrender to Sri Lalita Devi with faith, no obstacle is too great and no darkness is too powerful. Chanting or listening to this verse inspires courage, strengthens devotion, and fills the heart with confidence that Ma is always protecting and guiding those who seek her with sincerity. What is the ultimate force that destroys evil forever?
कामेश्वरास्त्र निर्दग्ध सभंडासुर शून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्र महेन्द्रादि देव संस्तुत वैभवा.
In this shloka, Sri Lalita Devi releases the powerful Kameshwarastra, the supreme divine weapon blessed by Lord Kameshwara. With its immense spiritual power, it completely destroys Bhandasur along with his entire kingdom, bringing an end to negativity and adharma. Witnessing this glorious victory, great devas including Brahma, Upendra, that is Lord Vishnu, Indra, and many others praise Ma's infinite power, wisdom, and divine glory. This shloka reminds us that no obstacle, fear, or negative force is greater than the grace of Sri Lalita Devi. Chanting or reflecting on this verse inspires courage, strengthens faith, removes inner negativity, and fills life with divine protection, peace, and victory. May Sri Lalita Devi guide us to overcome every challenge with wisdom and unwavering devotion. Did you know that the divine power of Sri Lalita Devi can restore even what seems lost forever?
हर नेत्राग्नि संदग्ध काम संजीवन औषधिः श्रीमद्वाग्भवकूटैक स्वरूप मुख पंकजा.
This shloka describes Sri Lalita Devi as the divine power who revived Kamadeva after he was reduced to ashes by the fire from Lord Shiva's third eye. She is the life giving force that restores hope, love, and new beginnings. The second part of the shloka praises Devi's radiant lotus like face as the very embodiment of the Vagbhava Kuta, the first section of the sacred Panchadashi mantra, symbolizing divine speech, wisdom, and spiritual knowledge. By chanting and reflecting on this shloka, devotees pray for renewed hope, loving relationships, clarity in communication, and the blessing of spiritual wisdom. May Sri Lalita Devi fill your life with compassion, positive energy, and the power to overcome every challenge. Did you know that every part of Sri Lalita Devi's divine form represents a sacred mantra?
कंठाध कटिपर्यंत मध्यकूट स्वरूपिणी शक्तिकूटैकतापन्न कट्यधोभागधारिणी.
In this verse, Sri Lalita Devi is described as the living embodiment of the sacred Madhyakuta and Shaktikuta of the Panchadashi mantra. The Madhyakuta shines through the region from her neck to her waist, while the Shaktikuta radiates from her waist downward. This teaches us that Devi's entire divine form is nothing but the very essence of the supreme mantra itself. Every part of Ma is filled with divine energy, wisdom, and limitless spiritual power. Meditating on this sacred form reminds us that the divine is present in every aspect of creation. By chanting this shloka with faith and devotion, devotees seek Sri Lalita Devi's blessings for inner strength, spiritual progress, divine protection, and a deeper connection with Ma's infinite grace.